Welcome back to Circulara world, where we take the linear and wasteful world and turn it into a spinning and winning circular one. Today we're going to be talking about something super cool, something that I'm very passionate about, how you can clean out your closet responsibly while giving clothes and people a second chance. Yep, we're diving into a genius collaboration between Homeboy Industries Threads and Known Supply, all powered by this. The second chance bag. Okay, first let's talk about why Homeboy Threads is such a big deal. When I spoke to the co-founder, I learned something amazing. That they're not just solving the problem of what to do with our unwanted clothes, but they're actually filling a massive gap in the circular economy. Here's the thing, new laws in California like SB 707 require brands to take responsibility for the end of life of their product. This is called Extended Producer Responsibility, or for short EPR, which is a major buzzword to come out of 2024, by the way. Sounds great, right? But for it to work, we need serious infrastructure. Brands need partners who can help them sort and separate textiles at scale so they can be properly recycled. And that's where Homeboy Threads comes in. They're building the backbone of this system. They're training their team to sort and process massive amounts of textiles and helping brands solve a huge problem in their supply chain. How to turn old clothes into new ones, also known as the textile-to-textile recycling. So when you use the second chance bag, you're not just donating clothes, you're helping to fund and grow the infrastructure that makes a circular fashion system possible. Oh, and did I mention that this program also provides life-changing jobs to people who are rebuilding their lives after incarceration? I mean, talk about purpose-driven innovation, both socially and environmentally. All right, now it's time to pack this bad boy up. The program accepts clean clothing that's in good condition, like shirts, dresses, pants that can be reused or recycled. But remember, no damaged clothes, socks, underwear, swimwear. Those go in a separate pile for other recycling options. I love thinking about where these clothes might go next. Homeboy Threads will decide the best path for each item. Resale, donation, upcycling, or even downcycling into something completely new. It's like sending your clothes on their next adventure, hence second chance. This is what the circular economy is all about, right? Keeping materials in use and reducing waste. And I have to admit, this is only one bag, but I am constantly trying to clean out my closet because I'm an upcycling artist and I tend to hoard textiles and have infinite unfinished sewing projects. So this is a regular this might become a regular occurrence because I just have so many clothes that I think have so much potential when in reality someone else could be enjoying it. And this is one of the most ethical ways that you can actually participate in take-back programs, is making sure that the take-back program that you're participating in has a very well communicated collaboration with a textile-to-textile recycler like Homeboy Industries Threads. This week my clothes will officially be on their way to be sorted, recycled, and reused thanks to Homeboy Threads and Known Supply. Luckily, I happen to be in Los Angeles in the same location as Homeboy Industries Threads, so this shouldn't take too long to get over there. And this isn't just about decluttering, it's about supporting the circular economy and building the systems that we need to make it a reality. If you're as excited as I am about this, check out the link in the description to grab your own second chance bag. Let's keep our clothes in circulation, reduce waste, and support take-back programs like this to create jobs and change lives. That's the magic of the circular economy. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Circulara World for more playful and impactful ways to live sustainably. Drop a comment below on what's one item in your closet that's ready for a second chance. I want to hear all about it. Thanks for coming along on this adventure, and until next time, let's stay circular.